crappie though. Not too bad. Hopefully I'll get another. I hooked in some bigger, but I guess I didn't set the hook right. So we'll see. Maybe I can get it again. Just smacked the absolute unit. Look at this crappie, guys. Absolute slab. Serious donkey, dude. Look at this thing. Nice. Oh my God, guys. This is an absolute donkey of a crappie. Look at this thing. Whoo! Let's go, baby. That's at least a 17-inch, 18-inch crappie, guys. God, that's a donkey. Oh, let's let her go. Come on, baby. Opposite way. Go. There you go. Nice.